How to copy a website in WordPress. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your WordPress account. And as you can see, I've now successfully logged in my account on WordPress. Then you will be able to be directed on the dashboard, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. And when copying a website in WordPress, it can serve as several purposes, often related to the need for creating similar content or functionality across multiple sites. And now to proceed, all you need to do is simply go to your plugin section in here, or option on the left side panel, by simply clicking on it, but make sure to also have an upgrade account on WordPress, since you will not be able to install and activate some plugins if you don't have an upgrade account on WordPress in here. So again, just simply go to this plugin section and click add new plugin. And upon clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page right here. Then just simply go to the search bar on the top right and just search this WP Vivid. And it will show you below the result, and just simply install the first result in here that says Migration Backup Staging WP Vivid with over 700,000 plus active installation. And after installing it, just click the activate button to proceed. And after activating it, you'll not be able to be directed on this page of WP Vivid. And now from here, to start copying the websites, all you need to do is simply go to the key section in here in order to copy the key of this website in our WordPress. And below, just simply click generate button to proceed, and just simply highlight or copy this text or this key below. And since it needs to have a to at least website to transfer it, like this dashboard that we have in here on WordPress, however, I only have here one website available. But once you have another website, you could also click the auto migration section and simply paste the key that we just copy from our website that we need to copy. Then click save button to proceed. And you could also choose the content you want to transfer and just select database plus files, which is WordPress files, and click clone then transfer button to proceed in here. And once it's done, just simply click this backup and restore section, and also select the database plus files and click the save backup to local. Then proceed by clicking backup now button to proceed in here. So basically, it needs to have at least two websites on WordPress to transfer one website to another, or to clone it in here. And you can do that by simply copying the key on the other website you want to copy and paste it on the auto migration section. And by simply pasting it, just simply clone it, and you'll now be able to back up and restore the WordPress website that you want to copy in here. And overall, that is just basically how to copy a website in WordPress.